Hello, I'm in a 2010 Mazda CX-9 and today I'm going to show you how to raise and lower all your seats. So for these middle row seats, you can pull on this or you can pull on this lever to fold them down. And then for these rear seats, the easiest way to fold them back up is go from the trunk and just pull on this strap and the seat will lift up. Or if you're in this position where I'm at, you can just lift up from here and it'll lock in place. And then same with this seat, when you're ready for this to lock back in place, you'll just fold this back up and it'll lock. And if you need to slide them forward, there's this metal bar here, so you just lift this up and then the seat should slide back and forth. When you release this bar, it'll lock in place. It's the same process for that seat as well as the same process for that seat we did for this seat. For the center here, this just folds right down and then folds back up when you're done. For these front seats, this seat, it's an electronically controlled system, so you do need some power to your vehicle. But this, push it forward, slides the whole seat forward. This slides the whole seat back. And this controls the back here. So this will make it lean back. This will make it lean forward. And then this one here is more like lumbar support, so that'll adjust your firmness. And for your passenger side, this one, this lever here, when you pull it up, it's going to make this fold forward. And then when you want to fold it back, typically you want to use two hands, but fold forward just like this. And then to fold it back, usually you'll lift this, and then with your other hand push this back. And when you release this again, it locks it in place. And to move the seat forward or back, this has a metal bar like those second row seats did, where you just lift this and it slides the seat forward or back. And then when you release it, it locks it in place. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.